Hello, good evening. My name is Steve Richards, and I'm going to present you my proposal, which will consist in upgrade computers that are with the Windows 7 operating system to Windows 10. So this is going to be target to the Alice Johnson Junior High School, Channel View. So let's get started. So the background of this issue is that the Windows is planning to stop the supporting of this operating system by January 14, 2020. So in that case, we are going to experience some issues that people are going to experience some issues that have this operating system. So one of them is that the new applications and new software are not going to be developed in this operating system. So all those the developers and all those programs are going to be developed on Windows 10. We are going to have some incompatibility issues. We are Some people still have the Windows 7 32 bits, which is becoming an issue for IT because many of the applications have are built in the 64 architecture. I saw and I found some programs that are not compatible with the Windows 7. So also new features of the Windows 10, like Paint 3D, are not available in Windows 10. Others. So some services, new server 2019, do not communicate well with Windows 7. In the case of if they're trying to use the Active Directory based applications. So it's going to be one of the issues for networking. So I found like some of the CPUs that build like Intel, AMD, Qualcomm, they're still like they are not going to work with Windows 7, especially 7th generation or above. Security concerns, yes, there is going to be an issue because you're not going to have upgrades, no more patches, no more antivirus signatures are going to be pushed to the Windows 7. So everything is going to be Windows 10. So we have to have that in plan. So my action plan is because I'm concerned here about those issues, and I'm going to take propose this so we can address that. So who will gonna be on charge? So it's gonna be Darrell Cheney. He's gonna be the director of the technology department. So he's gonna be the head, and he's gonna coordinate all the project through people in the same technology department, like Marian Barnes, Maris Bell, Fidencio, Steve, Jonathan, Max, Johnny, and Diana, among others. So we expect to complete this before the fall next year. So we're gonna have this ready when the students are gonna be on the next school year. So one of the main points of the plan is gonna be that we are gonna create like a first meeting. So the first meeting is gonna be before Christmas, before the Christmas break, and that is going to approve the budget and have everything ready, let's say set up by when we came back on January. So the second meeting is gonna address like we're gonna try to do the flyer. We're trying to advertise and announce the changes in the school. So we are gonna send emails. We're gonna put flyers in the classrooms, on the halls, and everything. So we are gonna prepare the people to the change. So in the meeting three, you're gonna see that how we are going to progress on the how is the progress on the project, and also because we have Derek from Best Buy, so he is going to donate like 200 mice, 200 keyboards, and 10 HP laser jets. So this is going to be beneficial for the institution. So the inventory. we are going to do an inventory of the equipment. So we are going to see like how much equipment do we have and how much equipment needs to be upgraded. So because we're planning to get the Dell Optiplex 3070 Micro, simply Nuke 715 NHE, and Acer Chromebooks. We expect that the budget is gonna be up to around like 3.5 million. So because the school was approved for this bond, so we're gonna use that bond. I mean, school district, Channel School District was approved for this bond, so we're gonna use that bond to start buying this equipment, which is gonna be beneficial not only for the students, also for the teachers and for the campus. So we're planning to buy like around a where did we go? So we want to spend some on many of the trying to buy this equipment. So we're trying to see three 3200 Chromebooks, 1500 Simple Milk, and 700 around 700 Dell computers. So we are gonna address the monitors. The monitors are working fine this moment, but we are planning to kind of buy new some new. So we are gonna have those to slowly replace the old monitor we have. But that is not gonna be an urgency, but we are gonna start working on that one as well. We are gonna deploy the plan. Like I said, we are gonna do this kind of meeting, and then we are trying to plan to request this equipment from Dell, B&H, and from Acer. So while once we get this approved, so we are going to wait for the delivery. While we are waiting for the delivery, we are going to work with the human resources so they can start doing the hiring process. We're trying to hire like 20 applicants. We can want to address this so we can have same students that are in the high school. So we can use the same students to use this project. The project is going to be simple. There is going to be no networking skills or any advanced skills that the people need to know. Basically, the deployment is going to be the physical installation, like moving the equipment from the warehouse to the school to the classrooms, unboxing, cabling management, unplug the cables, and basically the software is going to be to join the computer to the domain, install updates, and install antivirus. It's going to be very simple deployment, so we can teach the students how this process is going to be in the real world. So we're going to work and help them build this skill. So once everything is going to be deployed, other people in the team are going to work on creating videos, some tutorials to help people how to do things like customization, how to get access to the OneDrive, kind of that simple stuff. It's not going to be that hard. It's going to be very similar to Windows 7. Just going to be the design is going to be different. So still, we're going to have those videos on the web page. And really this is going to be very important for our students because our students need to have the latest technology in their hands. It's going to be bad for us if we do not take advantage of the technology, especially if new tools, new software, and new programs are being developed for the students. Let's say for ESL, we can use these tools. For Windows 10, we can use the apps so they can learn like not only English but also another languages. Also, they can get help with math and other subjects. I know that we can build this strong confidence. I know there are going to be a lot of advantages of getting Windows 10, like backing up to the cloud, so the students can access these files everywhere. It doesn't matter if they left their homework at the house, if they're working on the cloud, so they can easily get these files, security patches, security upgrades, and that's all. So that is my plan to propose the Ali Johnson High School, junior high, on Channel View to upgrade their computers from Windows 7 to Windows 10 because the end of the Windows 7 support is going to be coming soon. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.